What is going on YouTube? It's Supreme Guru here and I'm back with another video. In this video I'm going to be looking at the iPhone and I'm going to show you how to delete an app. So I'm going to find an app on here that I want to delete. Let's see, what will I choose? What do I want to delete? I kind of like all my apps. Let's go with... gonna do it. Let's go with Wikipedia. So if I want to delete Wikipedia, all I have to do is hold it in for a couple of seconds. You start to see the icons shake a little. Tap on the X. It will ask you, do you want to delete this app? Yes, delete, and it's gone. If you want the icons to stop shaking, you hit the home button, and there we go. That's how to delete an app from an iPhone or an iPod or an iPad. If you enjoyed this video, why not give it a thumbs up? If you want to see more videos like this, why not subscribe to my channel? Until next time guys, you have been watching and listening Supreme Guru.